Brian Sachs here with another top originator secret to help you close more, make more, and still enjoy life. You know, call me old-fashioned, but I still like taking my loan applications in person. Yes, I know I can send the documents to be e-signed or I could send them overnight by mail, but to me, you're dealing with a client's largest financial transaction in their lifetime. There are a number of reasons why I prefer to do loan applications in person. And some are probably obvious, but there are some subtle reasons that you may not have thought of. Let's start with the obvious ones. You know, taking a loan application in person avoids confusion since you're able to gather the items needed and go over the various documents that still need to be signed. Honestly, think about what it would be like to get 20 pounds of paper written in mortgagese and having to fill that out yourself. Second, it allows you to review the documents and see if there are any additional items needed, and you know there always are, right? And that allows you to get your loans approved a lot faster. But let's talk about some of the less obvious reasons to take applications in person. We all want referrals, but in order for a client to refer you, they have to know, like, and trust you. Well, that's much easier to accomplish in person, but much more difficult to accomplish online or when docs are mailed, right? At the application, you're actually able to provide the client with business cards and encourage them to refer you. Yes, I mean actually ask them if any of their friends, family, co-workers need to refinance or are looking to purchase a home. Third, you will become known as giving personal service and you'll be seen as an excellent and valuable resource. But let me share with you the most important reason that you want to take an application in person. There's really only two places you should ever take an application, by the way. One would be the realtor's office or your own office. And of the two of those choices, the realtor's office is the absolute best place to take the application. Number one, it allows you to get back into that closed office since you have an appointment. While you're back there, of course, you can be meeting other agents and speak to folks you would not have otherwise had the opportunity to speak with. But what this also accomplishes is a very subtle message to the other agents in that office. See, they now think that you must be a great loan officer since you're in the office taking loan applications or pre-qualifying buyers all the time. And, you know, I realize there are times when you simply must do the application via e-signing or overnight. But even in those instances, I still like the face-to-face interaction, and I use a special tool called JoinMe. It's really very inexpensive. They may even have a free trial. What this does, and by the way, I have a link for this resource at whatbrianuses.com. So what you can do with this tool is it allows you and your borrower to be on a conference line and both viewing a screen as you review the documents. Unlike GoToMeeting or some of the other resources out there, your client doesn't need to download any software. They just go to join the meeting on the screen, you invite them, and boom, you're both on the screen. See, sometimes going old school actually works. So I want you to give it a try, and you'll see your referrals and your realtor relationships increase. I'll be back next week with another Top Originator Secret. Be sure to visit toporiginatorSecrets.com.